This is how you find companies using Clay. So we want to select Find Companies on the left-hand side, and then we'll see we've found 43 million companies in the top right-hand corner. On the left-hand side, we have filters, which we can use to narrow the search down. So if we want to search for software companies, we can use the industry filter to do that. We could use company sizes as well, and then we might also use location. And we now have a list of 49,000 companies that fit our description. Next step, we want to select Continue and Import to New Table. And then we have our list of companies imported into the Clay table.